Good morning and welcome students. I hope you all are keeping well yourself at your home. So let us continue the session which we were doing. And here I take my one more step forward to go with another lesson. And the title of the lesson is The Last Leaf. As the title suggests that the last leaf sense the leaf which is left last on a tree or a creeper or a plant. So in this lesson we are going to see a suspense, and it is a very motivating lesson, and here we are going to see something which is really helpful for one person to another. So in this lesson we are going to see how a person is helping another by putting himself into a danger. And this story, when we read in the book, we will find that it is a suspense story. So let us go and check out what are the things given in the lesson. So here the main characters of the lesson are Sui, Johnsy and Bearman. So Sui and Johnsy, these two girls are friends and they both are artists. Actually they are painters, and Bearman is also a painter. Bearman is an old man and Sui and Johnsy both are young. So they both are, these two girls, Sui and Johnsy, both are sharing a room. They are keeping themselves and practicing. They are drawing something. They are learning painting. And suddenly one day, Johnsy fell ill. Now what happened to her? She was suffering from pneumonia. So suddenly now what happened? Somehow Johnsy understood in herself that she is not going to survive. Means she was thinking about herself that she may die. That was her own thinking. Even it is negative, but she was thinking in that way that I may not survive or I may die. So in this way she was thinking, and she was lying on a bed, and every day she was just putting herself into a danger by keeping her negative thoughts for herself that she won't be surviving. Now next what happens? Her friend Sui, she was always motivating her that do not think in that way, nothing will happen, doctor is coming to you, he is checking you, and you should think positive, you should have proper meal, you should take medicine, and nothing will go wrong, all will be okay and all will be set. So now, Johnsy was thinking that nothing is going to set. So now next what happened? Johnsy was thinking herself negative, and Sui was just trying to convince her. Even the doctor who was coming to check Johnsy, he was also saying that Johnsy has made her mind that she won't survive. If she does not think positive for herself, no medicine will help her. So first of all, you, means the doctor was talking to Sui and telling her that you just try to convince your friend that she has to keep positive thoughts for herself, that nothing will go wrong, will be okay. So in this way doctor said, when Johnsy was lying down in the room on the bed, Sui came after meeting doctor, after seeing of him at the gate, and she returned and just found that Johnsy was counting something. And in what way she was counting? Just opposite. Means 10, 9, 8, 7. In this way she was counting. So Sui asked her, what are you doing? Why you are counting in this way? So she said that the creeper which is visible out of the window, actually they were living on second floor of a building, and there was a creeper just near to their window, and there were so many leaves on that creeper, but continuously the leaves were falling, and it was natural because that was autumn season. So because of autumn season the leaves were falling. So but this girl, she was counting 10, 9 in that way. So now Johnsy said that now on the creeper, from my side if I see, there are 10 more leaves are visible. Few days ago I found that so many leaves were there. Then Sui just got angry and said, "You are talking like foolish person, and it is autumn season, and the falling of leaf is general thing and common thing. It will happen. Do not consider yourself in that way." Actually, Jhansi was thinking that the leaves, those are falling from the creeper. Along with that, her life days are also going. Means she was thinking when the last leaf will fall, she will also die. In that way, she was thinking. So Sui just got very angry and just tried to convince her that do not think in that way. It is natural thing. It is autumn season. Therefore, the leaves are falling. You should not go according to that. So in this way, Sui just helped her. And after few days, when Sue found that only 2-3 leaves are left on that creeper, then she thought just to put the curtain on the window because her friend was continuously counting the leaves. Now another few more leaves were left on that. So, but Jhansi said, "Do not curtain on the window. Let the light come." And she also would not do because she was also panting. She needs help. She needs light from them. So she did not put the curtain. Now next what happened? When there was only one leaf left, then Jhansi was too much negative. She was thinking that now I will not survive because only one more leaf is left on the creeper and by this night it will also fall. And the same evening, what happened? Her friend Sui, she went down because they were living on second floor, and on the ground floor one uncle was living. He was an old man and his name is Barman. So he was also an artist. He was a painter too. So this girl went down and when she was talking to that uncle, she said that my friend has made this kind of mind and now only one leaf left on the creeper, and she is thinking that when the leaf will fall, she will also die. The Bearman heard that thing and he wanted to draw a masterpiece. Masterpiece means a unique creativity, means a unique painting. So Bearman came along with Sui to the room and he also tried to convince Jhansi that nothing will happen. And that evening she said that this night it will fall and next morning I will also die. In that way she said and she slept. After that Mr. Bearman went down and Sui also slept. Next morning, that whole night there was a very big storm and rainfall. And Sui was thinking that now that leaf will fall because of storm and this whole thing. But next morning when they woke up, they found that the leaf was still there. It was visible from the window and Sui just told her friend, see, even very big storm and rainfall, the leaf is still surviving. You should also think positive. In that way she was telling. And when she went down after one day gap, means the second day, she found that the Bearman, the old man, was no more. He was died. So Sue came up and she told that Bearman, the painter who came to convince her, he is no more, he died this morning. And the watchman is saying that his clothes were wet. He was too much wet and he was also suffering from pneumonia for the 2 days, for the last 2 days. And before 2 days when I went early in the morning in his room, I found that his shoes and his clothes, his hair, everything was wet. So Sue came in the room and told this whole thing to Jhansi, and Jhansi also understood. Now my friend is trying to save my life. She is convincing me always. She is calling a doctor. She is giving me medicine. She is just motivating me, and even the leaf is also still there. So this whole thing Jhansi understood now for herself, and therefore she started surviving. And the leaf was also visible from the window. That was also the motivating thing for Jhansi. That now, since it is not falling because of a hard storm, rainfall, still it is surviving. So why can't I? In that way, Jhansi thought. And when this Bearman, the painter, he was no more, Sue understood something, but she did not tell to Jhansi. But now Johnsy also started getting some point. She thought that the barman, the man who is no more and he was mad. Why this whole thing? These all thoughts were going on in the mind of Sui. So Sui went down and she again talked to the watchman, and watchman clearly explained her that morning when I went to barman's room, I found that some paint was there and he was totally wet, and this whole thing, the scene was explained by the watchman. And Sui understood that something happened which was the really very great thing. And what was that? The barman means the painter. He was there on the window with the help of a ladder. He just went there to the window that night and he has drawn that leaf on the window. Actually, the leaf which was visible from the window, that was not there. That was the painting of barman, and that is why it was called the masterpiece, because these two girls could not even imagine that the leaf which was visible outside the window is not real, rather it is painted. Therefore, it is called the masterpiece of barman. So she understood everything and she went close to the window and she found that was really a drawing. That was not a leaf. And she understood, and she also told this thing to her friend Johnsy, that because of you, only for you, for your life, he has given his life. Even he was suffering from pneumonia, but he has gone and drawn that leaf for you because your thoughts were going down along with the leaf. Every falling leaf was putting you in danger, so he put himself in danger to save your life. So in this way we have seen the suspense of the lesson and the greatness of a work and the greatness of a person, that in what way he helped that lady, he helped the girl, and he has also drawn the masterpiece of his life. So in this way we have seen so many things. This lesson is very easy to understand, and the story is just motivating and helpful. And I hope you understood the summary of the lesson, and it will be helpful for you to write the answers of the question related to the same. And with this hope, have a good day, have a good time. Thank you very much.